Yeah, so when it comes to AI, we rely on the infrastructure, but we also rely on some functionality that's inside the VM itself. There are components that need to work together in lockstep with the infrastructure. So when it comes to a vGPU driver, we have a vGPU driver in the hypervisor that we can control, and then you need to install a similar driver in the guest OS. Now, the problem is these two has to be aligned in a particular version. You can have a slight version change or difference, but not a lot. So that means that if we are exposing a virtual machine with a GPU, we need to make sure that that guest driver is in lockstep with the hypervisor. And typically, if you just expose a virtual machine via self-service, the person, let's say a developer or a data scientist, has no clue what you run on within your hypervisor. There's no way to expose that, or maybe there's no desire to expose that. So with the deep learning VM, we said, okay, let's make that alignment. Let's make that alignment between the drivers in lockstep. But then we start to think about, okay, how difficult is it actually to get a solution up and running based on the driver of the GPU inside the guest OS? Apparently, there are some elements that are always the same. Think about CUDA, that's the library set of an NVIDIA GPU. Think about a Docker runtime. These things are typically aligned with the driver version. So we said, okay, let's install that using a post-install script when the virtual machine is deployed. And so we have a few additional steps where it aligns completely with the driver, which is aligned to the underlying infrastructure.